Hi, Desert Winds. Pastor Joel here. Wanted to give you a brief update on where we stand right now as a church in terms of our in-person gathering and what we're doing and what we're looking at. First of all, I need to give you an apology because on Sunday I was very excited because I was confident that this coming Sunday we were going to come back. I had heard of a ruling in a court case involving Grace Community Church where the judge had ruled that there was going to be a hearing in September, but until then the church could meet indoors with masks, distancing, all of that. And our thinking was, yeah, that works for us too. What I didn't know when I giddily announced to you that it was going to happen sooner than later is that a court of appeals Saturday night had already struck that decision down and ruled in favor of the county. And as a result, we are still in the same legal standing that we were at before. And it's frustrating. I'm sorry. I need to be better about making sure that I have the facts and the information because I know sometimes the yo-yo is more difficult than the disappointment, and I don't want to contribute to that. So this is my encouragement to you. First of all, the fact is we're going to remain online only until further notice. However, there are a couple of things that we're looking at. Number one is the actual full hearing on September 4th. Now, that's a Friday. I don't know that there'll be a judgment there. And honestly, we'll wait and see what kind of appeals, counter appeals, and all that stuff. It's just really hard to follow. And we will act accordingly. And we will look at the ruling. If they rule against the church, we will look and see why and see if there's a biblical reason why we need to not comply with that. But as of now, we don't have that evidence. The other thing that I want to say is that I think our bigger hope and where I think we really need to focus our prayers is on continued decline in the number of cases and the virus here in Los Angeles County. Because I would much rather be called back to gathering because things are improving than because a judge said we could. And so I think it's really important that we all pray about that. And again, join us Sunday night. We do prayer. We do it outside. We do it in a safe way so you can be there and not worry about your health. And the other thing I just want to say is we will continue as long as we are indoor only every week to offer some outdoor opportunity to worship and to hear some preaching and to enjoy some fellowship. And so it's a great opportunity. We've done it 2 times now. Both times have been spirit-filled and powerful and encouraging. And maybe I'm just speaking for me, but I leave those gatherings with an extra spring in my step. I just really enjoy them. And so what you need to know in summary is that your governing board is doing everything we feel we can to bring us back. We really are. And we're trying to balance a lot of things, but more than any is obedience to Jesus. And I just, and I don't publicly talk about what other pastors are doing or anything like that, but you have to understand that sometimes the most courageous thing to do is to obey God. And we are absolutely convinced that that is what we are doing right now. And we appreciate your support. We appreciate your faithfulness, your generosity, your encouragement. We are good. We are fine. And great days are happening now and great days are ahead. And so hang in there. Keep joining us for the stream at 9 o'clock on Sunday. Get involved when we offer opportunities to get involved, and get out to the Courtyard next Tuesday at 7 for worship, or the Courtyard at 6 on Sunday for prayer, and experience that community. We all need it, and we have those opportunities to do that. So God bless you guys. Have a great rest of the week. We will see you on Sunday.